Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Revan Febiansyah Priyadi. Now I'm here will present my thesis progress report with title Enhancing Multimodal Sentiment Analysis Through Deep Learning, Leveraging Fusion and Attention Mechanism. So for the motivation, in the scope of the social area, through social media and online reviewers, sentiment analysis is widely applied to understand people's feelings and perspective on various things, like a product, service, or social issue. This multimodal sentiment analysis emerged due to limitation to the traditional approach that only relies on the text. In reality, emotion or sentiment conveyed by users are often expressed through image, visual expression, or context that can only be understood by combining text and visual data. Therefore, multimodal sentiment analysis aims to integrate various modalities to increase the accuracy and depth of understanding of the feeling or opinion contained in the data. Using multimodal data, such as text and image, can provide more accurate results at predicting sentiment than using only one modality. This research aims to improve multimodal sentiment analysis by using deep learning and fusion technique and attention mechanism to improve the accuracy of text-image classification. And for objective and hypothesis, for the research question, how can improving the accuracy of multimodal sentiment analysis by using fusion technique such as a translation alignment and hybrid fusion, as well as attention and deep learning technique, enhance the efficiency of combining text and image in sentiment analysis. For the objective, to improve the accuracy and efficiency of the multimodal sentiment analysis by developing and apply fusion attention technique, include translation alignment and hybrid fusion to effective combine text and image for enhanced sentiment classification. And hypothesis, fusion technique that combine feature from text and image at the feature and decision level, along with attention technique and alignment translation technique, will improve the accuracy of multimodal sentiment analysis by enhancing the understanding of the relationship between text and image, thereby improving the result on deep text analysis. Before go to the next session, I will explain the baseline model for the reference. This model is proposed by Bui Tan Hung in the year of 2024, title Novelty Fuse Image and Text Model based on the Deep Neural Network and Transformer for Multimodal Sentiment Analysis. As we can see the process first, the first data preprocessing, and second feature extraction, and then image and text model. Inside of the fusion image, we have intermediate fusion, light fusion, and hybrid fusion. And the last is sentiment analysis is the final stage. Before go to the method requirement, I will explain quick about the origin of the dataset. The first, the data used for the research was sourced from social media, namely Twitter, which is provide tweet with the text and image. This data can be obtained through the Twitter API or scraping tools to collect relevant tweets. This data can be downloaded via the website and Kaggle. Next is the dataset sample. As we can see, the dataset have a sparse modality between text and image. This foundation will be used for my future experimental model. This is the method requirement specification. First, data collection and labeling. The study uses the MVS a single multimodal dataset with a 40,869 text image pair and MVS a multiple have a 19,600 text image pair with 3 label per instance. Data label are determined based on majority voting and filter using a label consolidation schema R1 until R3 as proposed by accepting method. For the R1, text and image label are the same. Multimodal label same. For example, if text positive, image positive, then the final label is positive. This is considered ideal data because both modality agree. And for the R2, one is neutral. Multimodal label follow non-neutral. For example, if text neutral, image positive, or vice versa, then the final label is positive. This is considered logical because neutral is considered to carry not strong emotion, so the emotional one is more dominant. And last is for R3, text label and image label contradict each other. Data is discarded or removed. For example, if text positive, image negative, or vice versa, then it's no agreement. So the data is discarded. The prevent the model from learning from ambiguous data that called reduce accuracy. And for the functional requirement, we're doing text preprocessing, transaction alignment, structure concat, token embedding, image branch, using DenseNet, and fusion and attention, and training and evaluation. To begin with the methodology, my purpose architecture start with the transaction alignment layer. The goal here to bridge the semantic gap by converting visual cues into text. We use Blip for scene captioning, ECOCR for on image text, and Insight Face for facial expression. And once concat into a structure format, we move to the preprocessing stage using the BERT tokenizer. It's important to note that we don't just tokenize the words, we specially generate input IDS and attention mask. The input IDS serve the numerical bridge that allow the model to understand the combining text, ensuring the translated visual information is processed with the same semantic weight and the original text. The ensure and the stable compatible input or word LSTM branch, while the raw image is processed separately through DenseNet 201. And next, continue to the core of the model. After feature extraction, we enter the hybrid fusion stage where I am implement a dual attention mechanism. First, self attention allow the model to prioritize the most important parts with each modality, such as emotion keywords or significant visual object. Then, two-way cross attention enable to attend to relevant visual region and vice versa, effective bridging and semantic gap. Moving to the decision-making stage, our process use multi-head prediction path. Each head passes through a softmax function, which convert raw score into probability distribution, where the total summary is 100%. It's important to clarify that softmax provide a distributor, not a single range. To each the label verdicts, we apply a weight-led fusion strategy. We multiply each head probability by respective weight alpha, beta, and gamma, and final output determined by the arithmetic rules, meaning the category with the highest numerical probability becomes the predicted sentiment. And the structure help handle modality imbalance by allowing the model to rely more on the most confident source, such as like high accuracy text branch. And before we go to the next part, I will explain again what the meaning of the transition alignment. I will explain about the translation. This translation refers to the process of the converting visual information image into the text form. Images are essentially visual representation that are difficult for text-based models such as a bird to process. Therefore, the process translates the information contained in the image into the text form. For example, an image have a smiling person can be translated into a text description such as a smiling person or happy expression. An image for a product can be translated into descriptive text, such as image of a red car. And next, in meaning on the alignment, after translating image into the text, it must be also be ensured that the translated text is aligned with the original text. Alignment here refers to the alignment between two types of data or modality, the original text and the text translate of the image. For example, is there is smiling facial expression and the descriptive text is smiling person. The original text in the sentiment analysis could be a sentence, such as like we can see in the screen. Uh, I love this car. The alignment process ensures that the descriptive text about the facial expression with object in the image is combined with existing text to provide a more complete picture and of the sentiment. To further clarification, this will be explained in the next experiment slide. This stage describes the result of the implementation of the multimodal sentiment analysis and has been built. This section focus how to improve implementation, like implementation of the main module, such as text for processing, transition alignment, and token embedding. And for the implementation environment, we use a local machine like Jupyter Notebook with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 with 8 GB VRAM and 16 GB RAM, built in the Python framework using Transformer, DenseNet, Transformation, ECOCR, InsightFace, OpenCV, below image, text, emotion detection, and other library. And for the section, we separate for the three parts, input, process, and the output. As we can see in the description, for the input, we can get the dataset for the MVSA single and the multiple, and split for the 18 for the training, 10% for validation, and 10% for testing. And the label consolidation based on R1 until R3 schema. And process for the implementation stage, we have like the text preprocessing, transition alignment, structure concatenation, tokenizer, and image preprocessing, and model initialization. For the output, structure text dataset, like the THX file, token embedding output, sentiment prediction, model evaluation plane, and visual and logs. For the MVS single dataset, we started with over 14,100 raw pairs from the Twitter after apply our like the R1 until R3 consolidation rules to remove invalid data. We finalize get uh 40,511 quality sample. As you can see in the dominance on the positive class with over like 216 sample, this data was split using like the 80, 10, and 10 ratio to ensure we have dedicated set for training, validation, and final testing. The transition alignment stage effective to visual data like using a blip achievement a perfect 100 success rate, and for the ECOCR, like get now they have the dataset which is crucial for capturing embedding, sign or poster, and finally for insight phase detect facial emotion in 51% for the image. Next, for the before turning in the text branch, we identify like significant imbalance favoring the positive class to ensure the model recognize neutral and negative sentiment. We apply smooth, which successful balance our training set over 6,000 for the 100 total sample. For the configuration, we utilize BERT based on case with optimized learning rates and batch size of 128. We also implement early stopping to ensure the model terminates training. It's a peak validation score, like preventing unnecessary generation loss. We tested 5 different architectural variations to identify the stronger baseline for our text modality. Our results show that the BERT plus LSTM model outperformed others, including BigGRU and post-target variation, achieving an accuracy approximately 70% and the highest F1 score of 0.69. Based on this performance, we selected BERT plus LSTM as our primary architecture for the textual branch. And for this slide demonstration as like presence alignment strategy by progressive adding visual context like image captioning, visual emotion, and OCR text, get accuracy like picking of 0.71. This proof like converting visual signal into proof BERT with much deeper contextual understanding. Finally, we apply a self-attention layer to generate text feature vector. This factor focus on the high emotional keywords, which become essential layer that they integrate the feature image branch to settle ambiguous sentiment. And for the image branch, we utilize DenseNet 201 and converted into Python tensors, normalize 0 until 1 scale, and address the data imbalance combining weight random sampler with specific class weight. And while of current accuracy, we get like 0.57 is strongly like 5% below the baseline, but it provides the crucial and stable foundation for the upcoming multimodal integration. And finally, the self-attention layer ensure the highlight the most emotion significant region of the image, such as a facial expression, before passing the data to the fusion stage. Next, for the last is hybrid fusion stage is the core of the architecture, and we integrate text two-way representation mechanism to handle significant data imbalance. We're using Wake's random sampler again and apply to like Wake 3.04 for neutral sample to force the model to learn from the minority signal. For the optimization, we use a batch size of 8 with for accumulation step to ensure the gradient stability while staying within our GPU memory limit. Our hybrid performance currently stand at the accuracy of 0.5 0, which is the below our target. The primary reason for this value is safer weight imbalance. Although our text blend is highly accurate at over 71%, it was only given a 77% influence in the final decision. While the less accurate image fusion brands dominate the remaining 16.3%, it caused by the final sentiment prediction to be pulled down by weaker visual signal. This finding is critical for our next optimization pass. And to conclude, our research provides that the tensor alignment strategy is highly effective. Like the text brands, significantly outperform get the 60.9%, 16, yeah, 9.60%. However, the hybrid fusion currently falls short because of weak imbalance where the accurate text signal was suppressed by the weak visual signal. For my future work, I will focus on the three key area. The first, I will reoptimize the weight coefficient to ensure the text blend has a greater impact on the final result. Second, I will complete the FSA multiple experiment. And the last, I will refine the visual feature expression to ensure better synergy between image and text, ultimately aiming to exceed all multimodal baseline targets. So maybe that's all my presentation progress. If there are any mistake, either in words or speech, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.